This is downtown Eagle Street. So you can see the cleanup has already started. Some of these offices down here already closed up. I think a lot of people will be working from home by the looks of it. That whole tower is closed. No one's working down there. The whole lobby down the bottom is closed. See over here, this is closed too. Got a bit of cleaning up happening. This truck's been going for a while. This is from yesterday. I drove here yesterday and it was still draining water. I'll go around the other side. Some of these restaurants, if they have power, they might open as long as you're not parking downstairs. Because that's the car park that I was just showing you. It's part of this precinct over here. So yeah, it's pretty quiet still. It's in the morning. Obviously this is part of the area that was affected. I'll bring you here in the morning if there's going to be any activity happening. This is the Bavarian. So we were on the other side of Kangaroo Point, but now we're here, so we can clearly see the damage. This ship here didn't get damaged, which is good. This is the one that we were talking about yesterday, the barge. I don't know if you can see it clearly. It's kind of leaning a little bit, but it looks like it's gonna be okay. So yeah, yesterday all these was, the water was too close, touch and go, but I don't think it will breach over here. But 10 years ago I did breach. All this was flooded. Let's take you around. So this whole area here was underwater 10 years ago. It's good to see some of these businesses didn't get affected, which is good, because there's a lot to clean up. It's expensive too, cleaning up. I don't know between that. So if it did rain yesterday, it would have been over flooded over here. That's for sure. That would have been the case. So I think they're keeping an eye on this barge over here. Looks like they were a little bit worried that it might be going. See these guys here? I think they're monitoring the situation over here. They must be the ones that are working on the bridge over here. So I'm just gonna move closer and see what's happening. Right here you can see those columns that they use to hold the pontoons. This is shaking pretty violently over here, but I think the worst is past, so they're gonna hold. Moving along. Some of the boats that were damaged. over here. So yeah, everybody's here to have a look. Alright guys, I think that's enough for today. Have a good lovely day wherever you are in the world, and yeah, thanks for your support. Ciao ciao, mama's out.